Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the 5 important sentences which you should tell your kids every day. The first one in the list which you should always tell to your kids is I love you. I love you is such a powerful tool that it gives confidence not only to the kids but also to the parents that there is someone who belongs to us. It will boost their confidence, it will help in their development, and also it will give a sense of belonging. Remember, it is not what we have in life, but who we have in our lives matter. The second important tool is to tell your kid that it's okay to make mistakes. Somebody has rightly said, a mistake is valuable if you do 4 things out of it. Recognize it, admit it, learn from it, and forget it. Since you have learned the lesson, you have also understood your mistake. And everybody makes mistakes. That's fine. Nobody is perfect. In fact, you don't have to be a perfectionist because it's a time-consuming job. So, if you have committed a mistake and if you're sorry about it, at least you have learned something from it. You know, the best way to understand kid is what? Is saying that I am listening. That brings us to the third point. When you say that I am listening, kid, it brings a sense of belonging, it brings a sense of responsibility. The kids feel that they are associated to their parents. Nowadays, you see that the kids have become very interruptive. They simply don't wait for their turn. It's simply because maybe the parents are not listening to them. When you start listening to them, they will also start listening to you. The fourth one is your opinion matters. Whether you have to take a small decision or a big decision in your family, learn to take their opinions as well. Their world is limited to family and their limited friends. But when you take their opinion, it will indirectly boost their confidence and they will feel that they are indivisible part of the family. So, no doubt they are very small and their experiences are very less compared to us. But their imaginations are way beyond our imaginations. Inside every child, there is a rainbow which is waiting to shine. So, for all those 7 colors to come out, you have to do one thing, that is, appreciate. That is the fifth and the last powerful tool. How good you would feel that if you go to office and your boss appreciates you for the work which you have done. Wouldn't it make your day? It's same with the kids. If you appreciate their work, their hard work which they are doing via studies or co-curricular activities or helping you in whatever manner they can, if you appreciate them, they would feel wonderful about it. So learn to appreciate in small things which way they are doing. So all you have to give your kid is a wonderful environment, lovable environment, conducive climate for them to grow and nurture. Rest everything will be taken care. Don't worry about their intelligence. They are already intelligent. God has gifted them. Hope you found the video interesting and informative. Do like and share and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Till that time, take care and bye-bye.